In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use prime factorization to find the lowest common multiple, or the least common multiple. If you've already watched my video on prime factorization using a factor tree, then you know how to get started. If not, go back and watch that video. I'll put a link in the description below. So let's see how we can find the least common multiple of 12 and 8. First step is to use a factor tree as normal and find our prime factors. So for 12, we have 2 times 6, which is further broken down into 2 times 3. For 8, we have 4 times 2, which goes down to 2 times 2. So let's make a little table down here. The factors of 12 were 2, 2, and 3. The factors of 8 were 2, 2, 2. I didn't line that up perfectly, but basically you're going to form columns and have the common factors underneath each other. This column we have 2's. This column we have 2's. There's one more 2 here, but it's only there on the 8, but that's okay. It's a factor. There's a 3 here for 12. It's not here for 8. That's okay. We put it down. What we then do is we multiply straight across, and that's going to be our lowest common multiple. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. Second example, what is the least common multiple of 12 and 18? So for this one, let's start with a different pair of factors. Let's start with 4 times 3, just so you can see you get the same answer. 4 goes into 2 times 2, and you can see 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3. Now, the factors of 18 are going to be, we'll do 2 times 9, and 9 is broken down further into 3 times 3. Let's set up our table. We have 2 times 2 times 3 for 12. And then for 18, we have 2 times 3 times 3. This column we have a 2. This column we have a 2. This column we have a 3. This column we have a 3. We multiply them all together. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. 36 is our lowest common multiple. So now that you've been through a couple examples, try this on your own. What is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9? Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.